Hi. We are going to get him kind of groomed up a little bit. Gonna try and work with her a little bit. She's gonna be a butt. I'll end up having to chase her probably. We'll see. But since her mane isn't super long, I don't really have a whole lot. Oh my goodness, this is a mess. I don't know if that's... This brush is just like falling apart. You don't want to do that. No, I don't want to do that. Did I make you mad? See, he doesn't overly like his ears touched. What the heck, my dude? I cannot find my other brush anywhere. I have no idea where it disappeared to. It's bright freaking orange. I've looked just about everywhere. So, we're just gonna... Is that your belly? We're just gonna use a hairbrush. I need to check on your feet, Mr. Boy. Okay. Give me your foot. Not bad, not bad. Good boy. All I'm doing right now is trying to get off the little bit of dirt I can with the brush that I have. Because she's dirty. And then, let's see if I can kind of get her in the frame. Okay. Thank you. Oh, I know. I'm just the worst. I know it. Look at you, you wild animal. Look at you being so good. You're being so good. She is so dirty. Her hair is so weird. Oh boy. So these two are the bestest. I was going to do a longer part 2, but today happens to be a relatively sad day. It has been 2 years since we lost my husband's grandpa to cancer. And so we decided that we both kind of needed to get out of the house today. So I instead took her to lunch, his grandma, and we just enjoyed the company. Because you know what? Some days it just be like that. Thank you, baby. Why are you here? You just want love. As you can hear, my goats think it's feeding time, which it is definitely not. Let's see. I don't know. today is just kind of our last real good day with nice and all the sunshine. Do we really have to do that right now? I will show you when I supplement them. Stop it. I will show you when I supplement them, because we supplement for different reasons. Right now their hay quality isn't overly fantastic, as well as he gets pretty mineral deficient, and he starts losing a lot of weight in his back, and we start noticing a lot more usually summer, but right now with the quality of hay that we are feeding, it just isn't what it needs to be. And it happens in winter, and we've had a couple of crazy storms that ended up ruining quite a bit of our hay. It got moldy. So I supplement them at least once a day with minerals, some senior feed, alfalfa pellets, and some weight sustainer, just to kind of give them the extra boost. I'm gonna fight you, ma'am. I'm gonna come over there and I'm gonna brush you. What do you think about that? So, I don't know what's walking through the woods right now, but we have deer, we have moose. Obviously the bear aren't out yet, it's February. Granted, it's warm enough to be time for them to come out. But we do have local moose here. And we have a bull and a cow. I see it. What is it? Some kind of something is moving. But yeah, we have quite a few different animals, and if I can ever catch them on video, I will definitely be showing you, because it is kind of the coolest thing to come across. We have came across the bull moose and the cow out back. Let's see if I can. This is not all of our property, but it goes down a hill, and then we have like clear over there. So we live on 7 acres, but we have access to the other side. It's all his grandparents' property, but we inhabit this 7 acres. But in all total, there's 40 acres here. Most of the good land, or the forest land, is on our side. We live in the only little area that is buildable. So the rest is just left to nature. We have moose, we have bears, deer, raccoons, which that's why we keep my chicken coop closer to the house, so we don't have to worry about anything trying to kill my chickens. Because this building right next to my horses actually houses quite a few raccoons, which is cool, but not when you have chickens. So we do keep them right next to our house. What? Are you just being a sweet, sweet boy? But anyways, guys, I'm gonna kind of cut it short. I am tired today. After I got off this video, Poppy, don't do it. They'll eat you. Anyways, after I got off this video, I went and did yard work yesterday. I did a whole bunch of things, and fun fact, if you stayed here for this long, I have scoliosis. I have 2 rods and 22 screws in my spine. Should I ride horses? Probably not. Am I gonna do it? Absolutely. Best therapy. I don't need a person therapist, I just need an animal therapist. So if I push myself too hard, I really struggle the next day. Granted, today I have 4 dogs, I have a kid, my 13-year-old dog, like I have a whole other life. I have a whole life going on. So even if I wanted to sit around and be lazy, I can't. But I did want to make a part 2 to this video, and I totally forgot to mention that in my get to know me video is the whole scoliosis thing. So, yep, 2 rods and 22 screws in my spine. I had surgery at 13, 2 kids, arthritis, and a whole hell of a lot more problems now. I'm very thankful for my surgery. I have overcame a lot, but sometimes my pain gets to be a lot, and today it's pretty high up there. So I wanted to enjoy outside. I just didn't want to push myself too hard, so I'm not going to make a super long video. But I always like getting out here with them if it's nice out. So I hope you're enjoying the weather where you are. I know I am for now, anyways. Are you guys really, like, trying to fight? I can't do anything without you little snappy... Look at that. Look at that. She's so mad. He's like, Mom. Mom. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the weather where you are. And hopefully it's not too cold. We are praying for snow. Big time. All the snow would be great. Anyways, enjoy your Thursday. That's the day I'm filming this on, by the way. I am going to post this later in time, but by the time I post this, we're probably going to have like 34-degree weather. Enjoy.